Your lawn should be a place of peace, serenity, maybe even a little yoga. But if your grass looks like this, you've got gophers, and we've got a fix. We're using the Gopher Hawk. There's a link below if you want to try it. And if you're into DIY fixes like this, hit subscribe. We post how-to videos like this all the time. Now, let's get to it. These little diggers don't just mess up your grass, they tunnel like they're building a subway. And if you've ever tried to mow over one of these mounds, you know the pain. Underneath the lawn, it's a full-blown labyrinth. They don't just dig one hole, they build a fortress. Out in the wild, the hawks do their part. Red-shouldered, Coopers, red-tailed. But here, close to the house, we've got our own hawk, the Gopher Hawk. Here's how it works. First, we find the tunnel. It takes a little feel and a lot of patience. The key is to feel for that sudden drop. When the probe pushes in easily, you've likely hit the gopher's main tunnel. It should feel noticeably softer than the surrounding soil. Insert the probe handle back into the tube to enlarge the opening. This lets the Gopher Hawk reach the tunnel without resistance. Then we make space for the trap and slide the Gopher Hawk into place. No bait, no poison, just mechanics and a bit of strategy. To set the Gopher Hawk, place your hand on top of the handle after inserting it into the hole. With your other hand, pull the lower handle up toward your top hand until it locks into place. The trap is now set. Some days they just plug it with dirt. That's why you check it daily. A dirt-filled trap means the gopher moved on. Time to find a fresh tunnel that's still active. But some days you get lucky. See that yellow paint? That means the trap's been sprung. This one took just 2 hours. Sometimes it takes a few days, but it works. With the gopher removed, we set it out for a family of ravens that regularly visits. Because we avoid poisons, the catch is safe for scavengers, and it helps support the wildlife that naturally keeps our land in balance. So if you want to protect your yard without hurting the wildlife that helps keep nature in balance, this is your tool, the Gopher Hawk. Peace through precision. Check the trap, check the lawn, and check out the link below.